drips slowly like acid rain. I'm standing still. Don't ask me why again. I float with time while I don't move at all. Sticky boredom crawling through my soul. My heart drifts off, it's losing shape. I don't see it, and I don't wanna know my fate. I don't take steps, I let it drag me through. Between 1 second and an empty truth. The world beside me is unfamiliar noise. I'm just myself, my only crowd, my voice. Am I asleep or wide awake? Don't ask me now, my words were just so I mute the sound. I feel nothing that's safe for now. I'm sour apple, bitter taste. One bite deep, the scar will stay. If I move, I rot the air. If I change it all, I turn to shade. I'm sour apple, rotting core. Every touch becomes a scar. If I'm someone else today, it's all or nothing, no in between. They hand me words, I grind them down. My heart suspended, thoughts like smoke around. If I move, it's not for gold, it's to break the order I was told. Wasted time, still build a future frame. I'm standing where I shouldn't be, no shame. You wanna label me, don't search for art, just say it straight. Toxic poison, dark. Does it hurt? Is this regret? Oh no, I ain't. Every step's a dead too steep. I don't know people, I just know the fate. I'm sour apple, bitter taste. One bite deep, the scar will stay. If I move, I rot the air. If I change it all, I turn to shade. I'm sour apple, rotten core. Every touch becomes a scar. If I'm someone else today, it's all or nothing, no in between. I'm right here in this moment, in this dream. If I'm supposed to change, then show me where to be. If I'm supposed to change, then show me how. All I know is venom and the fear I found. Movement means destruction. Movement means I fall. Every bridge I light up, every wall. If I cry, will something break inside? Will my heart turn white in the night? I'm sour apple, I admit it now. I poison you and myself somehow. If I change, I won't do half. Either blackest skies or aftermath. I'm sour apple, say it straight. I rot you too, I know my weight. I'm not a beast, not yet, not me. It was fear that taught me how to bite my teeth. I don't know you, I don't know me. I don't know me. Maybe someday, just not today.